Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 different ways to migrate your spreadsheet on the numbers application to another folder using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. Click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. When it has loaded, let's go to File, go to Open. This will take us directly to the desktop where we see work.numbers. Click on this, and now let's go to Open. This will open up the spreadsheet on screen. So the first way to migrate your spreadsheet to another folder is to go File, go Move To. Where it is at the moment, it's on the desktop. Let's now migrate this to the Documents folder within Finder. Go to Move. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder, go to Documents. There we have work.numbers. So now before we move this without destroying our documents, let's minimize Finder for the moment. Let's now close Numbers. Let's now revert this back to where it originally was. Drag and drop. Now if I were to, let's just say, open up the work.numbers spreadsheet by double clicking on this. If I were to, let's say, now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. If I were to now move this, it will become a problem. So what we will do is close the numbers application for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock, go back to Finder, and now the second way to migrate is to drag and drop. So drag work.numbers from the desktop to the Documents folder, and there we go. Let's now right click and clean by name. There we go. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Numbers. Let's now go to File, Open. Let's now go to Documents, work.numbers, click on this, Open. There we go. We can now quit Numbers, go all the way down to the dock again, go to Finder, revert back to where the work.numbers spreadsheet initially was, drag and drop to the desktop. There we go. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.